In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Continue, select Skip, tap on Accept, and use this red button at the bottom in the middle. Then hit Allow. You can use the same button to start your recording after you set it up. Now to pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To delete it right away, pause it, hit discard on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To add a bookmark, leave it unpaused and hit Place Pin, also on the left. Then type in wherever you want to or not at all and hit OK. To end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Now hit Save at the top right corner. To listen to your recording, click on it. To rename it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner of it, select Rename and type in wherever you want to. Then save your changes by hitting OK. To get rid of it, hold it and click on this bin at the top right corner. Then, to confirm your choice, select Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!